Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from everywhere. Today we are talking and covering weekly outlook. First of all, we are focusing our map. Our map is what, guys? This weekly calendar news. Now guys, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday, all of the day of the week is available for take a trade because of we don't have any holiday bank at this week. Now please focus on the Monday and Friday. What happened at the Monday? Aware for the Monday because of what the monthly candle is closing at the Monday. At that case, is Monday candle is out closing is important for us. Now Friday we have a what? We have an NFP news. It's also important. Please take some partial at before of the news or make a trade or take a trade after the news. Now guys, the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is higher probability for take a trade. We're gonna talking what, guys? This DXY. When DXY is bullish, other pair is bearish. When DXY is bearish, other pair is bullish. Now guys, what happened the previous month? This is monthly candle chart. As you know, this imbalance area price is take out this external range liquidity, respect this area. When price tap this rebalance price delivery in here, make a what? Daily gap. For the first Monday of the monthly candle is price doesn't respect this daily gap, is aggressively pushed to downside and close below after that. This is the first signification the monthly candle is continuation to the downside. Now for this type of candle, as you know guys, this is what, this is our external range liquidity or drawn liquidity for us to price targeted this external range liquidity, this drawn liquidity for us. Now this monthly gap is price again tapping here. The Monday candle is very important for us. If price come and close below after this area, this is good signification for the next month. This is another area for what? For support price again to tap this area to pushing what? Acting like resistance to downside. Now guys, this is what? This is monthly scenario at DXY. We are still bearish. What we see at the weekly time frame, when we are coming to the weekly time frame, you know the monthly candle, what happened in here? This is the first week of the month. In here is pushing to downside. This is the second week is make a what? This huge gap in here guys, and the third and also the third, this is the last week candle. What happened in here at the month guys? This is, as you know guys, in here when price tap this area, I'm also remove the outdrawing. This is acting first off, this the weekly gap is drawn liquidity for us. I'm marking here guys. Now this drawn liquidity for us, price tap in this area and also close below of the what? This closing candle of the weekly. At that case, what happened? The next week we're gonna targeting price in here is pushing to the downside. Or what happened? When price in here closing, the next month price again take out some liquidity at that area with 50% of this huge gap, again is pushing to the downside and take out what? This external range liquidity. Price still is continuation to the downside in this area, drawn liquidity, or at the daily time frame and 4 hour find an opportunity for what? This area is again to pushing price to the downside. Now anyway, the main structure for us at the monthly and weekly is bearish. What we see at the daily time frame, when we are coming to the daily time frame, as you know, this is what guys, this on drawn liquidity, price make a what? Close below this candle. At that candle is like a order block away for this area to pushing price what? Again tap this area. With the tapping this area is again continuation to this drawn liquidity. What is the next scenario? This is order block guys. As you know, the down close candle in here is supporting to pushing price to the upside. If price take out this in this candle of Friday candle low and make a what guys? With this type, make a 15-minute gap and also changing the state of delivery with a SMT. You can also targeting this high, the Wednesday high, and also this is at the high of the previous week, and the main target is this area is drawn liquidity. Anyway, why reason this is also rebalance price delivery for us. If price tap this area is pushing to the upside. But your main structure, what happened? Price in here again pushing to the downside. This is our structure for DXY. The 4-hour time frame, when I close eyes to the 4-hour time frame, what we see at the lower time frame. Now this is 4-hour time frame. This daily order block is also acting this 4-hour order block. This area we have also in this area to pushing price to the downside. Price take out this external range liquidity, it will be tap again this what in here. Aware for the Monday candle, price tap again to pushing to the downside. This is our scenario on the DXY. When I come to the EURUSD, what we see at the EURUSD. This is our EURUSD chart, guys. Now we want to talk about daily time frame. What we see at the daily time frame, as you know, we are what, guys? We are bearish at the DXY. When we bearish at the DXY, what happened in here? We are bullish at the other pair. Now this is Euro gap, daily gap. We wait to price tap again to this area, take out this external range liquidity. This is our area zone. When price take out this external range liquidity and also tap this daily internal range liquidity, what happened? As you know, this Wednesday candle, and this is what Thursday. Thursday is closing above of this candle. It's acting like an order block for us, the daily order block to pushing price. What this is the next target, drawn liquidity for us, this area, guys. Drawn liquidity for us. Now I mark in here price. What happened at EURUSD for next week? The Monday candle is open, pushing to the upside. This is our drawn liquidity. As you know, what we see at the 4-hour time frame. When I come to this 4-hour time frame, guys, we are now at the 4-hour time frame. For this 4-hour time frame, this is daily internal range liquidity. Price tap this area with this CRT model candle take out and pushing to the upside. We're gonna talking what happened in this area, guys. Now as you know, this is daily order block, and also this is what 4-hour order block. Price close went in this type in here. At that case, we accepted for us the market shift direction is activating here to price tap again this order block with this New York time frame. Price pushing to the upside to take out this external range liquidity. What is next target for us? This is next target for us. If you take a trade at the Monday, aware for this our external range liquidity. This zone is what, guys, for us acting to pushing price again this huge imbalance, and also this 3 order block is supporting price to the upside. This is Monday scenario. Price opening here, take out this. Asia is consolidation, London is manipulation, and distribution what in here for New York and London continuation. If you will lose the London momentum to the upside, wait for the New York again make a for you guys in here another opportunity. Take trade in here and pushing to the upside to take out this also external range liquidity. This scenario at what? At EURUSD. What we see at the GBP USD. When I come to the GBP USD, first of all we focus on what this daily, what we see at the daily time frame. For the daily time frame, you know, price tap to this order block in here, but it's acting like a sympty with euro. I think in here we have also a sympty. The price candle is closing in here. And also, what's the next target for us? The next target is this drawn liquidity. I'm gonna talking about which pair is good for us to take a trade, euro or pound. Now guys, euro is good for take a trade because of what is drawn liquidity for us, and euro GBP price take out this external range liquidity with this type of candle is closing above of also this candle is acting to what? To activation to pushing price to the upside. Now we are what, guys? We are at the DXY EURUSD and euro pound is bullish scenario. At that case, you can also focus on EURUSD for buying. Also, what this is EURUSD price is close also in this area. For that case, this is order block. the Monday candle is opening in here, what happened? We have a two scenario: price tap to this area to pushing upside, or what, continuation for this area to the upside. Aware for euro pairs is good for take a trade. We're gonna talking about what, guys? As you know, gold. This is a breakdown trade that we're gonna talk about. The gold, as you know, guys, price tap this area for this daily gap. Price respect this area. I think I make a video at the Wednesday I talking about that. When price tap this area, it's respect this area for the 1 hour time frame. In here, this candle, I take a trade to pushing price to the upside. 1 hour time frame, premium and discount. I think it's on Thursday. Where is this candle? The 1 hour Thursday. This area, guys, I take a trade for this gap because of what? Because of this premium and discount zone. This gap is not at the discount, but I focus this gap. When price tap this area with this order block, I take a trade to pushing price to the upside. And also what we see, another thing in here with 50-minute, I think this some area for me. Now price tap to this midnight opening, whether this candle is price is tap it. I wait this candle is closing, the next candle is also closing here for this imbalance. That area for 50-minute, you can 5-minute, you can see good opportunity for you. This is also what, guys, the New York 9:30 the market is open. I try to focus price stop loss in below of that, and I target what, this all of drawn liquidity to the upside. This is what, guys, this is lower time frame opportunity to target higher time frame external range liquidity. It's like that. Now, guys, I'm also talking about indices, what we see at the GER40. As you know, the Wednesday I talking about this index of the GER40 is good for me. This area is buying me in here, and also what happened this area with this tapping this area, this external range liquidity is, we talking about what, about this external range liquidity at the Wednesday. Price is tap this Thursday. As you know, the Wednesday's price is pushing in here aggressively to the downside. We're gonna talking this type prices until tapping here. This is our external range liquidity. With Thursday also continues, and the prices come to the midnight opening and pushing to the downside. This another thing, the Asia IS liquidity is taken out. The order pairing is activated this area and pushing price to the downside. Now what we see at this week, when I come to this weekly time frame, the weekly time frame is show us for us, guys, the candle is closing aggressively to the downside until what we see at the monthly time frame. Any gap at the monthly time frame, wait, guys, for what, for the monthly candle is closing. With this monthly candle is closing, away for this monthly gap. I think the monthly candle, it will be close in here with this type market come to this 50% of this gap and pushing to the upside. This is our what, guys, scenario at the GER40 is good for take a trade. Now we talk about the pairs of the euro and pound. The euro pairs for buy is good for us, and also we're gonna talk at this indices. I don't trade another indices, I just trade this GER40, and also the pairs that I trade EURUSD, GBP USD, and also gold and silver. Silver is also, guys, away for make a gap in here. I talk at this silver is drawn liquidity, guys, for us. Now what happened, this is monthly time frame. I want to talk about daily time frame. Now, guys, at the Discord channel group, I talking about this area to pushing drawn liquidity. This is everything is good for us to continue on to the upside. Now aware for what, guys, this is order block for us. The price tap again This is what run liquidity for us for the 4-hour time frame with the final sum. This is rebalance price delivery in here, guys. This is also CRT model. If price make a what for the 1-hour time frame, any gap for you, wait for what, guys? Wait for 5 minute order block, and also any breaker block for gap with SMT. This is what run liquidity for you. It's good. Find 50-minute and 5-minute change instead of delivery, and target it what this run liquidity for higher time frame is very good. This is a strategy that I use. Now thank you so much, guys. Have a good weekend. See you next week.